This plant looks beautiful even without flowers, but when it blooms, it completely steals the show. This is Variegated Shell Ginger, a tropical foliage plant that gives you bold leaves, a lush look, and elegant shell-like flowers as a bonus. If you're looking for a plant that instantly adds a premium, tropical vibe to your garden, balcony, or landscape, this one deserves your attention. Variegated Shell Ginger belongs to the ginger family, but unlike the ginger we grow for cooking, this plant is grown mainly for its decorative value. The first thing you'll notice is its foliage. The leaves are long, smooth, and glossy, with natural stripes of green and creamy yellow. This variegation is not artificial. It's completely natural and stays attractive throughout the year. Even when the plant is not flowering, the foliage alone looks full, healthy, and ornamental. That's why many gardeners grow this plant purely for its leaves. Now, let's talk about the flowers, because this is where the magic happens. During warm and humid seasons, Variegated Shell Ginger produces beautiful hanging clusters of flowers. Each flower looks like a small white shell, with a soft pink blush near the base. They are delicate, slightly waxy, and very elegant, almost like porcelain. This shell-like appearance is exactly how the plant gets its name. Shell Ginger. The flowers are not always in bloom, but when they appear, they feel like a surprise gift from the plant. In terms of growth, this plant grows as a bushy clump. It is not a climber and does not need support. Multiple shoots emerge from the base, slowly forming a dense and lush plant. In ground, it can grow around 4 to 6 feet tall. In pots, it usually stays a little smaller but still looks very full and healthy. Because of this clump-forming habit, it's excellent for filling empty spaces in gardens or corners that need greenery. Now let's look at how easy it is to care for this plant. When it comes to light, Variegated Shell Ginger prefers bright light to partial sunlight. It grows best in areas where it gets morning sun or filtered light during the day. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, as it can fade the leaf color and stress the plant. Watering should be regular. The soil should remain slightly moist, but never waterlogged. Think of it as a tropical plant that enjoys moisture but hates soggy roots. For soil, use a well-draining organic-rich mix. A mix that holds some moisture but drains excess water works perfectly. This plant loves warm and humid weather and thrives in tropical climates. In regions with higher humidity and consistent warmth, it grows especially well. Maintenance is very low. Occasional pruning of old or damaged leaves is more than enough. One of the best things about Variegated Shell Ginger is how versatile it is. You can plant it directly in garden beds as a background plant. You can line it along compound walls or boundaries for a lush green screen. It works beautifully in large decorative pots for balconies, terraces, and entryways. If you enjoy tropical-style landscaping, this plant fits right in and instantly elevates the look of the space. So, if you want a plant that looks decorative all year, doesn't demand constant attention, and rewards you with stunning flowers when conditions are right, Variegated Shell Ginger is an excellent choice. It's beginner-friendly, visually striking, and perfect for anyone who loves bold foliage with a touch of elegance. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and practical gardening ideas. Happy gardening!